DeFi is an umbrella term for peer-to-peer financial services on public blockchains, primarily Ethereum. DeFi takes the basic premise of Bitcoin, digital money, and expands on it, creating an entire digital alternative to Wall Street, but without all the associated costs. This has the potential to create more open, free, and fair financial markets that are accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Users typically engage with DeFi via software called dApps, decentralized apps, most of which currently run on the Ethereum blockchain. Unlike a conventional bank, there is no application to fill out or account to open. Most decentralized finance applications are built on top of Ethereum, the world's second-largest cryptocurrency platform, which sets itself apart from the Bitcoin platform in that it's easier to use to build other types of decentralized applications beyond simple transactions. These more complex financial use cases were even highlighted by Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin back in 2013 in the original Ethereum whitepaper. The most popular types of DeFi applications include decentralized exchanges, stablecoins, lending platforms, wrapped Bitcoins, and prediction markets. While more and more people are being drawn to these DeFi applications, it's hard to say where they'll go. Much of that depends on who finds them useful and why. Many believe various DeFi projects have the potential to become the next Robinhood, drawing in hordes of new users by making financial applications more inclusive and open to those who don't traditionally have access to such platforms. This financial technology is new, experimental, and isn't without problems, especially with regard to security or scalability. Developers hope to eventually rectify these problems. Ethereum 2.0 could tackle scalability concerns through a concept known as sharding, a way of splitting the underlying database into smaller pieces that are more manageable for individual users to run. If and when these solutions fall into place, Ethereum's DeFi experiments will have an even better chance of becoming real products, potentially even going mainstream. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. We'll be uploading new content every day.